She's actually somebody's grandmother.
Really?
She's pretty homely, but I wouldn't.
Hey, that's my grandmother.
Oh, jeez. Am I gonna stay away from garage sales?
Probably after like the next two. These are cute. I can make them.
Morning, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. How much for your little guy? $1? Okay. Okay, cool. Thank you. Have a good day.
Who is he?
He's a Red Sox player. Xander Bogaerts.
What does he do?
Nothing. He's just a little gnome.
No what? Is that Troy?
Well, you know what? I should have asked that lady to keep the unit kind of yeah.
How much you good for it?
15.
It's all right.
I'm fine with that. I wanted 20, but that's okay.
Is it a real uniform?
I wish. I would have kept that if it was real. I actually got, there's a company in New Hampshire called New Hampshire Unicorns.
Yeah.
And you can rent a quote unquote unicorn. They don't have any cord.
No cords.
Now, you guys remember those? No, you don't remember.
No,
Yeah, you do
we
this.
don't.
It's a video game, right?
Yeah. No, and actually, if you hit this button here, it gives you your change back.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, no kidding.
You need to change to play video games?
I actually had these type of phones. They have
Did
this
you?
long cord, and you try to get in the other room to talk to your girlfriend.
And You're restricted because you can't go that far.
That sounds horrible.
That's a copy of a rare coin.
I was gonna say, I don't think that's real.
Wouldn't be on the dollar table anyway.
Yeah.
Where are you guys from?
Cool. We're from Epping.
Oh yeah, right down the road.
Not far. Not far. Yep.
That's a pretty cool 1800s pen for something or other. Early
That is kinda
1900s,
cool.
1845 to 1910. She's actually somebody's grandmother.
Really?
She's pretty homely, but I wouldn't admit to that for a grandmother. Who does the foundations?
Foundations? I work for a concrete company. That's one of our customers. So, technically nobody, but
Where's your company from?
Rowley, Mass.
What do you do?
I'm dispatch. Yep.
That's okay. Don't have to get your hands dirty.
Yeah, exactly. Can I make a little pile of stuff somewhere? I don't have to keep carrying it. Okay, cool. Set everything right here.
Boston Terriers.
Oh, yeah. My brother has chihuahuas, but they're only like 2 pounds each. They're really tiny. Yeah, that's what I have as well.
You said you made a pile?
There's a couple of local cars in there.
I think it's missing now.
Is it?
Well, look, open.
Ooh.
Like it doesn't connect. Where's the connector pieces?
Yeah.
The Three Stooges.
Yeah. All right. Look at that. I think Ash would like that.
Momo?
Yeah.
Probably.
It's a hairless cat clock.
A Sphinx?
That looks like something she would want. $2?
It looks like Harlow.
It does. She'd love it. We'll get it for her.
To my house.
This is like
Really?
a baby Kimmy girl. This is baby. Oh, it's a nightlight.
Downtown Raymond. That's right.
Is it?
The problem is Kimmy will be very jealous.
Yeah.
No, Kimmy don't.
Cool. All right. So what do we got? 2 on this.
Can I give
Yeah, what was that?
Keep the customers happy. She was saying her boyfriend has a Harley, so I gave that Harley some snacks to her.
Good.
Where's that little...
I think we're ready.
You ready, huh?
What did you want on this thing?
Yelly?
Oh.
$1.
$1.
She ain't
Okay.
answering me, so there you get it for $1.
So this is 2. So 2, 3, 4, 5, $6.
Alrighty.
Thank you, kind sir.
5. There's 5.
Yeah.
And 6.
Thank you.
Thank you. You have a good day. How's it going, everybody? We're back here in the YouTube, eBay room. I guess it's kind of YouTube too. I do a lot of YouTube editing in here. Anyway, as you guys saw, we picked up a lot of cool stuff at that sale. That last one, well, I guess we went to a couple sales in this video, but the last sale that we went to, the prices were kind of all over the place. It was kind of a cool sale. There's probably some things there that I didn't pick up that I probably should have. If you guys saw anything that caught your eye that I might have probably should have grabbed, let me know down below. I don't mind criticism at all. I take it as a learning experience. When people tell me that I missed stuff, that's how you learn, you know? So I'm open to learning new things every day, you know? I'm open to widening my horizons of sourcing, and I mean, you can never stop learning, really. But anyway, the prices were kind of all over the place. As you guys saw, there was a really cool Peanuts, Snoopy, Charlie Brown Lunchbox, and it was even complete with the thermos. Usually the thermos was missing on those type of lunch boxes and stuff like that, but that one, it was complete with the thermos. The guy was asking like 25 bucks. I didn't even ask him because I'm sure he wouldn't go down much on that anyway. He was pretty firm on his prices, but he was asking 25 bucks, and on eBay they're going for about that, maybe a little more, but there wouldn't have been a whole lot of room to make profit there. So, you know, on that stuff he was priced a little bit high, but then, you know, on other stuff he had a whole table of dollar stuff, which I picked a lot of things off of. That was kind of interesting stuff. I haven't comped anything out yet, but it seemed like decent stuff that I picked up. They're just like little trinket stuff, but for $1, you know, there's a lot of good things on that table. But anyway, that was a good sale. It was fun. But now that we're here in the eBay room, I'm gonna pull a few orders real quick. We have actually quite a few things to go out. So first of all, I'm pulling 2 of these comics. As you guys know, we have 13 of these cool comic books, these Superman comic books. And so far they're doing very well. They've only been listed for 3 or 4 days, and we've sold 3 already. One of them was to a viewer. I'm not sure if these guys are viewers. They're 2 separate people, 2 separate orders. They didn't send a message or anything, so I don't know if they're viewers or not, but nonetheless, they're selling very well. I may be selling out of them pretty quickly though. Today I actually got a message from somebody in the UK, and they asked me if I'd be interested in selling them, all 10 of them. So I haven't heard back. I said, of course, because they were worried about shipping and stuff like that to the UK. And I was like, oh, that's not a problem. And they haven't got back to me yet, so I don't know what the deal is there. Who knows, maybe they'll buy tomorrow or something. But yeah, they are definitely moving quickly. These were a great buy. We got them in a huge lot of stuff, as you guys know. And they're sealed comics from 1993. So they're very popular. They're going well. I like selling those things. They're easy to ship, and they're not huge money, but they're decent money, you know, for the effort and the time put in. One listing, multi-quantity, and then, you know, I just put them, I wrap them in a little bit of bubble wrap, and then throw them in a poly and send them on their way, and they're fine. So that is the first couple things going out. All right, next we sold this right here, this Impossible puzzle. Pull this down off the shelf. This Impossible puzzle, it is something, I can't honestly remember where we got it. I think we got it at a thrift store, if I had to guess. Maybe a garage sale? I don't know. We've had it for a really long time. That's why I can't really remember where we got it. But we couldn't have paid more than $1 or $2 for it. And we took a best offer on this for $6 plus shipping. So that will be going out. I don't even know what this is. It's a scramble of unique collection of jigsaw puzzles. It almost looks like Scrabble or something, but I don't know. kind of cool. It'll be easy to ship. It'll go first class. It's super light, so that is going out. Next, we sold this copy of Street 2 for PS2. It's a pretty good game. These Street games are usually pretty popular. They do decent and they hold their value. I mean, they're no like home run or anything, but they hold their value pretty well. This sold for, I believe it was $9.99 plus shipping. So that's pretty good. We actually got this game for free. Sold these pair of Clark's shoes. We've had these for quite a while as well. I think we picked these up at a thrift store way back when, last year sometime. Paid a few bucks for them. And they're in pretty good condition and they did not move very fast at all. Not a whole lot of interest either, not a lot of offers, even though we've had them for a long time. They're in good condition. The tread on them's still pretty good. Obviously there's some wear, you guys can see that. But for the most part, they're in good condition. I forget what size they are. They are size 10, so they're a good size as well. So I'm not sure why it took so long for them to move, but nonetheless, they finally did sell for I think it was $12.50 plus shipping on those. So not too bad. Finally, we sold a Funko Pop here, and it was actually to a viewer. Let me get down here and pull the Funko so you guys can see that first. I'll tell you about it. It's a Five Nights at Freddy's Pop, and that's this one right here. They paid $6.99 plus shipping for this, and this is actually going out to Timothy is the viewer's name that purchased this. Timothy, and they left a message here. Let me read it for you guys. Love your channel. Just want to say thanks for the great videos. This is a birthday present to my daughter. She's a huge Five Nights at Freddy's fan. Well, that's awesome, Timothy. I hope that your daughter enjoys this Funko, and I think she will. It's pretty cool. Anyway, thank you so much, Timothy, for your purchase and for the support of the channel. Pam and I really do appreciate it. All right, guys, that's gonna pretty much do it for this video. We found some great stuff at some yard sales, and we made some good sales in our eBay store, so things are good. I'm here in the kitchen with my boy, Kitan. And actually right now I'm getting ready to open up this box right here. And in here is something I'm really excited about. It's actually a brand new MacBook. I'm super pumped. It's a brand new MacBook Pro. I just ordered it and it came in. And I'm gonna be opening this now. And I'm gonna be giving my old MacBook, this is a MacBook Air, the one I normally use for all our stuff. I'm gonna be giving that to Pam because she's gonna start doing some video editing for our other channel. So I figured, why not just upgrade and get the next computer for myself, and then I'll give her my old MacBook. Because honestly, this MacBook Air right here it's a great computer, and it'll be great for her. As far as like my opinion, we get this question a lot, is how, like, what do we edit with for our videos and stuff? I've always edited on iMovie on my MacBook Air, and oh yeah? And I can't speak for any other software or any other type of computer. This is just what I've used, but as far as content creating goes, Apple products, don't get mad at me, Apple products are exceptional. Like very, very exceptional, like incredible in my opinion. I'm a huge Apple fan. So I am very excited to open this box and get this computer out and running. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. We will see you guys very soon, and have a great night, everybody. Bye.